The paste command is a powerful Linux utility that allows you to merge lines from multiple files horizontally, creating parallel columns of text from different sources. It is an essential tool for data processing, log analysis, and creating structured text outputs in the command line. The basic syntax of the paste command is as follows: paste, then optionally options, then the names of the files you want to paste together, such as file 1, file 2, and so on. For example, you can type paste file1.txt, file2.txt to merge these two files. To use a different delimiter other than the tab, you can type paste followed by the option -d, then the delimiter you want to use, such as a comma, followed by the file names. For example, paste space -d comma space file1.txt space file2.txt. The -s option serializes the content of each file. In other words, it pastes all the lines of a file into a single line, separating the content of the line with the tab delimiter. Here are example files that we will use for demonstration. The first file is called names.txt. It contains a list of names like Alice, Bob, Charlie, David, and Eva. The second file is called ages.txt. It contains the corresponding ages for the names in the first file. These are 25, 32, 41, 28, and 36. The third file is called cities.txt. It contains the corresponding cities for the names in the first file. These are New York, London, Paris, Tokyo, and Berlin. Here's a demonstration of basic usage. The command here is paste names.txt ages.txt. This command merges each line from names.txt with the corresponding line from ages.txt, separated by a tab character. The output will be Alice tab 25, Bob tab 32, Charlie tab 41, David tab 28, and Eva tab 36. Each line shows a name and age side by side, with a tab character between them. Here's how to use custom delimiters. If you want to separate the text with a comma, type paste -d comma names.txt ages.txt. The -d option specifies a comma as the delimiter. The output will be Alice, 25, Bob, 32, Charlie, 41, David, 28, and Eva, 36. Each line shows name and age separated by a comma. You can use multiple delimiters. For example, paste -d pipe names.txt ages.txt cities.txt. The output will be Alice, 25 pipe New York, Bob, 32 pipe London, Charlie, 41 pipe Paris, David, 28 pipe Tokyo, and Eva, 36 pipe Berlin. Delimiters cycle through the specified characters. The -s option serializes the content of each file, joining all lines horizontally instead of merging lines from multiple files. For example, paste -s names.txt. The output will be Alice tab Bob tab Charlie tab David tab Eva. All names from names.txt are merged into a single line, separated by tabs. If you want to change the delimiter, type paste -s-d comma names.txt. The output will be Alice, Bob, Charlie, David, Eva. All names are merged with commas between them instead of tabs. Here's how to work with multiple files. To merge 3 files side by side with tab delimiters between columns, type paste names.txt ages.txt cities.txt. The output will be Alice tab 25 tab New York, Bob tab 32 tab London, Charlie tab 41 tab Paris, David tab 28 tab Tokyo, and Eva tab 36 tab Berlin. When working with multiple files, each file becomes a column in the output. Files are processed in the order specified. If files have different numbers of lines, shorter files are treated as having empty lines. This format is perfect for creating CSV files or tabular data from separate input sources. Here are some practical examples. To create a CSV file, type paste -d comma names.txt ages.txt cities.txt greater than people.csv. This combines 3 files with comma delimiters and saves the output to a CSV file that can be opened in spreadsheet applications. To combine command output, type paste left parenthesis less than ls space dash l right parenthesis space left parenthesis less than ls space dash la right parenthesis. This uses process substitution to merge the output of two commands side by side, comparing different listing formats. The paste command is a versatile tool for data manipulation, report generation, and creating structured text from multiple sources. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.